Welcome back to the Miyagi course. In our last lesson, we explored how to get prompt coaching to refine our prompting skills by treating AI as a thinking partner. Today, we'll learn how to use styling layers to add depth and complexity to your prompts. Generative intelligence understands layers of styling and modification. Think of it like drawing an outline with a pencil, then making a darker outline with a pen, filling it in with colors, and finally putting a frame around it. This technique helps you get high-quality results. Let's start with a simple explanation of how this works. Explain generative AI shortly in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Next, explain generative AI shortly to a smart professional who has never used AI in a friendly tone. Then, explain generative AI in a short poem or koan, just a few lines. Use the style of a Buddhist master. After that, explain generative AI shortly to a university student who is against AI and thinks it's just hype. Use the style of a friendly teacher. Finally, explain generative AI shortly to an online marketing designer at a small business who doesn't understand AI but fears losing her job and livelihood because of AI. Use the style of a friendly coach. Remember to give it context and avoid using act like. Instead, specify roles clearly, such as, you are a best-selling copywriter. Practice these prompts to see how different styles and modifications can enhance your AI interactions. More than 74% of views on this channel are from frequent viewers who haven't subscribed. If you've ever enjoyed my videos, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel more than you think. The bigger the channel gets, the better guests I can invite and the better videos I can publish. Fair? Subscribe? And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. All the prompts are listed below. Check the description for a link to subscribe to my email list and get my free guide, which is always kept up to date with the latest tips. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to use generative AI as a writing assistant to boost your productivity and creativity in writing.